Yeah. Tenacity. Everybody see the lights on the buildings. Glass shining. Floors reflecting. But they never think about who made it shine. When the city sleeps, we go to work. Lights off, but the hustle don't stop. You see offices, towers, and glass. I see contracts on contracts. When the city sleeps, we run the game. Vacuum lines like fortune lanes. They see janitors walking the halls. I see a business cleaning it all. Sun go down, the shift begin. Key card swipe, we walking in. Lobby marble shining bright, but we know it ain't stay that way tonight. Trash bins full from a long work day. Coffee stains where the meetings stay. Conference room still smelling like lunch. Another building ready for the punch. Vacuum humming down the hall. Footsteps echo off the wall. Every desk wiped one by one till the midnight shift is done. When the city sweeps, we go to work. Lights off, but the hustle don't stop. You see offices, towers, and glass. I see contracts on contracts. When the city sleeps, we run the game. Vacuum lines like fortune lanes. They see janitors walking the halls. I see a business cleaning it all. And if Kitty Gardner, when we walk through, he know we here like we always do. Elevator ride to the 20th floor. Cleaning companies running the corporate doors. Bathrooms polished, mirrors bright. Paper stock for the morning light. When the workers show up at night, everything fresh like it cleaned itself overnight. But behind that shine is a team, building wealth behind the scenes. One building turned into three, now the whole downtown calling me. They don't see the night shift grind, they just see the floors that shine. But every contract sign is a company rising. When the city sleeps, we go to work, from small offices to big networks. They see buildings touching the sky. I see business multiply. When the city sleeps, we run the game. Every contract build a name. What they call cleaning every night, we call empire building. Tomorrow morning, thousands of people will walk into these buildings, smell the clean air, see the polished floors, and assume it just happened. But every shining building in this city has a cleaning company running the night shift. Tenacity.